Discovered an ST4 file in archive design files from the early 1990s and need to recover the layout? This is an Adobe PageMaker 4 template from the era before InDesign existed. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these PageMaker 4 template files. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for ST4 file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. A user with an ST4 file is likely trying to open a legacy desktop publishing template created with Aldus PageMaker 4. These files serve as blueprints for documents like newsletters or brochures, containing preset layouts, styles, and placeholder content. The primary goal is to access or convert this old design. The ST4 format is a proprietary binary structure designed by Aldus for performance on early 1990s hardware. It encapsulates layout grids, master pages, style sheets, and object placement data. This compact, non-XML design minimized file size and application load times, which was a critical consideration for the era's limited computing resources. The specific reading module for ST4 files is provided by Adobe PageMaker from Adobe Systems Incorporated. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows cannot present accurate typography or spacing, so layout editing tools are required. The very first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's header. Right-click the ST4 file and click Open with. Test Adobe PageMaker if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. If your ST4 file is not opening yet, that is normal. Before we proceed to the guaranteed fix, let's clarify the why. Here are the top technical explanations for the persistent ST4 file error. First, opening an Adobe PageMaker. If you have access to Adobe PageMaker 4, 5, 6, or 7, install the application and use File, then open to load the ST4 template. PageMaker creates a new untitled document based on the template structure. Save as a regular publication file to begin work on the layout with template elements in place. Next, converting via InDesign. Adobe InDesign includes a PageMaker conversion utility that can open older PageMaker files, including templates. Launch InDesign and use File. Then open to load the ST4 file. InDesign converts the template to its native format, though some advanced features may require manual recreation in the modern application. Finally, recovering content manually. If conversion fails, extract content from the ST4 file by opening it in a text editor to recover any embedded text strings. For complete layout recovery, use a virtual machine running an older Windows or Mac OS version with PageMaker installed, enabling original viewing and export to PDF or modern formats. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.